For our project, we attempted to explore, through a collection of surveys, how nationality influences awareness of Greek life here on Ohio State's campus. By doing this, we're looking further into the socially constructed level of acceptance and awareness of Greek life by international students at Ohio State. We hypothesized that international students are less likely to join Greek life than are those from the U.S., because the culture shock they experience inhibits their ability to comfortably assimilate both culturally and socially. To test this hypothesis, we asked 30 random people on campus for some basic information, as well as if they or anyone they knew was a member of Greek life and their general feelings toward it. Let's hear where some of these people are from.
New Albany, Ohio.
Potomac, Maryland.
Memphis, Tennessee.
Cincinnati, Ohio.
Marion, Ohio.
Lexington, Kentucky.
Beijing, China.
Prague, Czech Republic. Waterford, Ohio.
Columbus, Ohio.
Cleveland, Ohio. Chicago, Illinois.
The following is a graph which shows our data. The blue bars represent the number of people familiar with Greek life, while the red ones represent the number of people we asked. As expected, we found very few international students to survey. Of the two we did survey, neither were familiar with Greek life, which theoretically supports our hypothesis. However, there are a few obvious things to take into consideration when interpreting our data. First, we were only able to find 2 international subjects. A much larger sample would be necessary to draw any viable conclusions. The other big limitations were time and location. We had one point of the day where we went to one part of campus. Class schedules, weather, and location all influenced the people we were able to ask. So, in conclusion, we were unable to collect enough information to confidently support or discredit our hypothesis. However, were we to rely on and interpret the data that we did collect, our hypothesis that American students are more likely to be affiliated with Greek life than international ones would be supported. After doing some research, we learned this turns out to be true. It was easy to find sources that said things like, quote, Greek life is a brand new concept with international students, end quote, or, quote, the Greek system is uniquely American, end quote. Adapting to basic cultural standards is difficult enough for many international students, and joining subcultures like Greek life would be overbearing. That being said, one of my best friends and pledge brothers is an aerospace engineer major from Madrid, so it's not to say it's impossible, just uncommon.